Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. It's starting to get cold in the morning. You know what that means? Winter is coming. Like it. It's like 50 something, 59 or something. So, it's pretty sweet. Fucking guy. So yeah, I got a new visor for my helmet here. It's like a gold, like a color changing visor. It's pretty cool. Now I look like Master Chief. But I actually like it. It's it kind of turns everything a little more blue. I kind of like it. It's, you know, it's like some shade, but not as dark as the drop down shade inside the helmet. Seems to give her like a better contrast or whatnot. Man, see that fog over there? See? That's how you know it's starting to get cold around here. The fog is settling in. So, anyways, yeah, not much going on. You know, I'm still selling panel washers here and there. I got a couple of orders on eBay, which is pretty awesome. Guy picked out a custom color. It was there's this type of PLA called silk PLA, so it's like real shiny, and he wanted a silk purple, and that actually turned out pretty cool. I'll drop a picture in here, and but yeah, so I'm still selling those damn things, just a few here or there now, nothing like it was before, but you know, is whiz. There's other people on there that are on eBay that are undercutting my price, and you know, by a few bucks. And you know, 2 years ago I was the only game in town, and now, you know what they say, imitation is the biggest form of flattery, right? Now everybody and their brothers printing out, you know, 3D printed panel washers. You know, hey, whatever. You know, when I made them, it wasn't, you know, like a long time goal. I knew that, you know, I made as many things as a gram as I could, and it is what it is, you know. I knew it wasn't a forever kind of thing, you know. So, but let's see what else. In my backpack right now, I got I have a light that I use for vlogging and stuff, and for, you know, filming, and it's kind of a nice light. It's got, like, you know, white and then also some yellow LEDs, whatever, and it just kind of stopped working. Like, and now excuse me, it won't charge and it won't turn on, so I'm thinking the battery's dead. So I think I'll make a video today where I rip that thing apart. I brought it, some of my small tools, and we'll see if we can, you know, diagnose it. Is it the battery? Is it the charging board? Like, you know, and it kind of sucks because, you know, the control board is all part of the charging board. I know it is. So yeah, you know, if it's just, hopefully it's just the battery, we'll pull that out, check it out. But stay tuned for that if you want to see me pull apart an LED light. Still, I told you guys a while ago, we're still waiting on some pretty cool stuff for Trevor's Navi. There's 2 items that we're getting. I split this order. Well, we doubled the order. You know, I know some of you guys that watch me watch Life of Birch, and it just so happens that me and the guy that bought, you know, Birch had a Navi and he sold it. Well, just so happens that I'm buddies with the guy that bought Birch's Navi, and he bought a light bar from me. So anyways, him and I went in, we bought 2 of these items each, and we kind of got a deal on it since we bought 2 sets of each of these items. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet, because I will tell you that me and this other guy, which I don't want to name him personally, I don't know if he wants me to name him, but anyways, we're going to be the only 2 in North America that have these for the Navi, so that'll be pretty sweet. Yeah, so, and then I still got the shock to do. I just been kind of waiting to do it all kind of at once. And I finally did get, I went out and bought a tire brush so I could clean the tires on the car and the bike here. And so we're gonna revisit that Exoforma stuff, that tire crunchy candy tire shine juice, whatever it is. So that's, we got that coming up. And I don't think if there's anything else. Oh, apparently, I don't know, it all kind of, man, you guys don't get old. This is not good. I don't know, a while ago I was lifting something, and maybe I lifted something heavy in my finger or something, and I think I pissed off a tendon in my right middle finger. Great. And it started like locking up on me. And like, you close your hand, and then like the finger would stay closed, and I'm like, what in the fuck is this? So I finally Googled it, and it says it's called trigger finger, I guess. So yeah, apparently the tendon's all pissed off or something. It's irritated. I don't know. So that's fun. I'm kind of not surprised though, because I had carpal tunnel in both my wrists, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up getting fucking rheumatoid arthritis, so oh well. But yeah, it's like, oh, what can you do for it? Not much. Take ibuprofen. It's like, oh, should I do that twice a day? Already, the max was at like 800 milligrams. It's like four 200 milligram ibuprofens. So yeah, body just started going to crap after 40. Like, let's see, what's today, the 28th? I got like 2.5 weeks to my birthday. I'm gonna be 48. So yeah, it's knocking on 50's door. Sucks. So, but anyways, we're taking the back way, because I figured, I wasn't sure, the one gate opens at 6 o'clock, and I wasn't sure. I kind of had a feeling I might get there before 6 o'clock. So I like this way anyways. It is kind of quiet. It's just like going to the main entrance here at Fermi. You can see we're right up here. There's the broken symmetry. That's what they call that. That sculpture. So, but yeah, almost here. Another day, another peso. So, but all right, guys. Well, we'll see you on the next one, and we'll figure something out. Maybe I'll do the video on that tire shine juice or something next. So, all right, we'll see you guys. Easy. Oh yeah, big shout out to my whole 9 subscribers that actually watch me. Thanks, guys. We'll see you. Easy.